If there's anything we can do for you while you're here, be sure to give us a call. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky,
Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Celia, I don't understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. You got to get it dark and spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. I have information on the girl. No humans back here. I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens. Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scaffold.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scaffold.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. 2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Bye, Wazowski.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in Foster Avenue reported tracking where we immediately repaired the area and window. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area and window. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child.
Humans.
We responded
Oh,
to a
goody. Another camera. Good thing I have my hair undone. Make sure you get my good side. Cheese. That's
Come back and see me someday.